I don't know, we are gonna have the combo. The combo, $5,000 flat. When it gets to no suck, I wanna get with it. You see me?
Kedisha, son of ramping shop. Kedisha, are the best fuck shop. $5 now me get it, plus me get me suck.
You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. Yes, people, me take a very lengthy break, but guess what? I'm back. Back with the latest and greatest update. And what we are gonna talk about today is the combo deal.
Me say me can't left the deal, yeah. The girl them out and drive me crazy like a tida. Me no want fi see Kedisha. Combo bash and yeah, me need ya. Cause you a Kedisha mine. Me know me money a go down tonight. Me no wanna discount. The girl a make me too cause I'm a body a smile. Me want the combo, me need the combo. And as me get it so me shout out bumbo.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your BDS fan.
What a vibes!
Chaddy Marie TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Marie, Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
So people, in case y'all live under a rock and you see people are post about Waterford, people are post about Portmore, people are post about the dangerous combo deal, and you don't know what it's about, I'm going to explain it for you in this video. So yesterday, December the 5th, this video just go viral.
If you don't want to know, suck. $3,000 if you don't want to fuck. When I don't know, we are gonna have the combo. The combo, $5,000 flat. When I get to know suck, I wanna get with it. You see me? Make sure everybody come out to the party at December the 5th. Naga normal about a party. You don't know a place to be? Right to Kedisha house. Waterford. I'm out.
So that video quickly went viral. I'ma feel like say Kedisha yard couldn't hold the amount of man them we are gonna go a Kedisha yard to get that little combo deal something there. So she have to do a venue change.
Hear me and tell Shokobus say put club overdose on a back road Portmore. Them for put that so everybody can come right there so.
So me are telling you say right now everybody are talk about Kedisha and Kedisha party and a $5,000 combo special. You see me? But a plot twist what me kinda have to explain to the people No, Kedisha is not the promoter for the party. The promoter for the party is actually Shanice. But the venue was supposed to be Kedisha yard. So comes Kedisha name go viral and not Shanice. You remember back in the days when Jolene did send out the voice note there? And the person on the voice note wasn't necessarily Jolene, but because a Jolene name continue to call out in the voice note, a Jolene name go viral, whether the same thing like right there, so you see me? Kedisha yard go viral over Shanice. But big up Shanice, the real combo boss.
I said, I can't be myself, baby. You can't be myself.
Flop combo.
I said, Mama, combo, turn up. You Kedisha? Kedisha. Where's my friend? I'm saying, combo, turn up.
Right through.
Right through.
Come with the money.
Come with the money.
Our side orders are given.
I said, no, class. You hear that? You hear that, my friend? Oh, my mom be your friend. I'm going to hear that. Friend of my mom be on to hear that. No joke thing. Don't know. Because still a forward, see them way.
Me not telling lie people. Combo boss party from where me see did shot until Jaja. The police them come lock it off. Yo. John know them Jamaican police are come stop everything. I'ma feel like say, you know, combo boss that help her bring down the crime rate and all them things. Cause I'm sure say if the party that they go on from 5 in the evening to 5 in the morning, no murder would go on. Cause I'm sure say all of the thugs them would have over combo boss party. I get the $5,000 combo special. Anyway, still nationwide reported that a party promoter from St. Catherine was taken in for questioning by the St. Andrew South Police. The woman believed to be one of the organizers of an event with promotional material that has gone viral on social media. The words Kedisha, Waterford, Portmore, and the combo trended multiple times on Twitter on Sunday.
Me want the combo, me need the combo, and as me get it, so me shout out.
So people, even though the police them did lock off the party, according to Combo Boss herself, the party succeeded all expectations. No pun intended.
Yeah, people, you don't know, say it's a girl, Combo Boss. I'm want to tell you thanks for all of the support. You see me, my thank you, I swear. Thank you very much. My party was a good look. I'm not lie. I feel good in myself. And I want to thank Uno because Uno make this happen. Uno make this possible. You see me? So I have to show you no respect. I thank you and I appreciate everything I want to do today. For me. You see me? God bless, no man curse. Got a back, got a front.
So all in all, that was how Combo Boss rise to fame. Giving the $5,000 combo special, you know what I mean? Big up yourself, Combo Boss. Believe me, I'm one of the baddest promoter I ever see. And you forget promoter at the ear. I can't cut before I talk about the song when Benz make, because in a less than 3, Benz make a song I talk about the combo special, you know what I mean? So big up yourself, Benz Click Star. That's the same song I play in the beginning of the vlog. The song not released yet, but you can definitely catch a preview on my page. Alright, Instagram, that is. So big up yourself, Shanice Luxury Doll. I think that's her name. Yeah, me I gonna leave a link to our page in the comment section. The real Combo Boss. Me still don't know who named Kedisha yet. Me still not see Kedisha page. But Shanice are the real Combo Boss. Big up yourself, Shanice. Who God bless, no man curse. You know what I mean? More on the combo. More on the combo. When me get it here, me shout out. People, me I go leave you with the Benz Click Star. The combo deal. Alright, big up on yourself. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about this video we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and a one way and any other way or the wrong way. My God.
Me say me can't left the deal, yeah. The girl them out and drive me crazy like a teeter. Me no want fi see Kedisha. Combo Boss Shanice, yeah, me need ya. Cause you a Kedisha mine. Me know me money a go down tonight. Me no wanna discount. The girl a make me too cause I'm a body a smile. Me want the combo, me need the combo. And as me get it so me shout out bumbo.